Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm talking about Grammarly for business. So I'm not going to show you a tutorial of Grammarly, how you can manage your teams. Obviously, it is not free. I just can't show you because to show you, I will need to buy subscription or business plan, or you can say pro plan. But yeah, definitely, I will try to maximize my efforts so that nothing was left to tell you. So, first understand what is Grammarly business. So, it is not just installing Grammarly. It is about adding your team, managing access, keeping everyone's writing consistent. Think of it like setting up a central writing system for your entire company. Like most people think it is complicated, but once you understand the flow, it is actually very straightforward. So let's see what it offers and how it will benefit you. So here you can see a solution that scales with your business. Enjoy intelligent features designed to improve communication across teams and companies of all sizes. Once you buy Grammarly business plan, you will get Grammarly privacy and security at the topmost level. Like Grammarly uses 256-bit AES for files at rest and SSL ALS for data in transit. So they comply with GDPR and CCPA. Then in the integrations, you can see Grammarly works everywhere: web browsers, desktop apps, email clients, and more. Then centralized billing, streamlining member and budget management with billing groups and single subscriptions for entire teams and ORG. Then admin controls, assign roles and manage permissions for security. So yeah, obviously this is the most important features that you get. So you can assign roles and manage permissions for security to your team. Then SAML single sign-on. Onboarding is simple and logins are secure. In analytics, intuitive dashboard track team strengths, opportunities, and improvements. So in the graphs, you will find intuitive dashboard track of team's strength, opportunities, and improvements. So it is very easy to tackle your team at the right direction. Then easy deployment. For enterprise account, SCIM provisioning automates identity management and adding, removing, or transferring accounts and permissions is very simple. So no copying, no pasting, no context switching. Grammarly provides one consistent communication layer for across 1 million plus apps and sites. So Grammarly stays with you, seamlessly integrating your workflow. So you can add all this to your workflow, or you can say in the integrations. So you can manage all the things with your team by using all these apps with Grammarly. Then let's find out what more it offers. I don't see anything here. Let's see at the upper side. You will also get multilingual support wherever your team writes. You will get high quality real time writing support in English, Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, and Italian. Plus, you'll get instant inline translation and paragraph level rewrites in multiple languages, making Grammarly your team's partner for clear, compelling writing in more than just English. So, yeah, this was all about Grammarly business. Mm, let's see what more it offers. So, you can operate your team efficiently. You can improve your quality of product or business or whatever your business is about. Then you can communicate responsibility responsibly. Then you can customize your team. You can add your specific templates for easy to respond. Then for marketing, IT, sales, and the HR companies are efficiently using this Grammarly business. So yeah, all this about the Grammarly business. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. This was just the overview of Grammarly business, and yeah, that's the video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.